Oh, don't stop because of me. Careful, Avery, not too hard.
Okay. My legs are better. My legs keep growling.
They keep growling?
Yes.
Are they getting tired?
Yes.
Well, you can take a break.
I need some water.
Okay, I'll get you some.
No, I need water first. Isla's legs are hurting too.
Okay, well, maybe she needs to take a break too. Okay, I'll get some water.
For Isla and me?
Yes. All right. Let's take a break.